Tonight we're hearing from a man who says he is lucky to be alive. Last summer he was shot and carjacked by a 17-year-old that was supposed to be charged as an adult. But now that may not happen. We told you yesterday the district attorney missed the deadline to try the teen in adult court. Here is Erica Ferrando.
7 months after Scott Toops was shot and carjacked while dropping off Mardi Gras bead donations uptown, he is out of a hospital but still recovering. His progress has been miraculous, and he gives much credit to his wife Stacy, who then died suddenly at 55 in November. As Stacy spent her final months fighting for her husband to live, she also fought for justice in his case.
I'm hoping that they're going to try him as an adult for what these kids did. Or what this one guy did to me by shooting me twice. It's just, I don't know, through all the 71 days I was in ICU and the rehabilitation that I've been going through for like 2 months of rehabilitation, it's been getting a little hectic with my wife passing away. That didn't really help either.
Scott Toops spoke with us over the phone Sunday after learning the case was dismissed against 17-year-old suspect Kendall Miles, who's accused of carjacking and shooting him after escaping from the Bridge City Center for Youth. In September, District Attorney Jason Williams said he would try Miles as an adult, as he was already serving a juvenile life sentence. But the DA's office missed a 30-day deadline to bring formal charges in adult court. That sends the case back to juvenile court.
It seems like my kids are taking it harder than I am, because they're going to get in touch with the DA's office Monday to find out what's going on about the case. Me, on the other hand, I'm just glad I'm alive.
The defense attorney for another suspect in the case, 16-year-old Kayla Smith, who faces an armed robbery charge, told us Saturday he couldn't speak to Miles' case, but said that he believes his client's case needs to be in juvenile court.
Teenagers, they make weird decisions, but we should treat kids like kids, and these accusations should be dealt with in juvenile court because she is a juvenile. She's a 16-year-old.
District Attorney Jason Williams said he will appeal the decision, telling our partners at NOLA.com in a statement, charging a juvenile in adult court is a serious decision. In this case, the process to conduct a thorough investigation, review all evidence, and have conversations with the victim and his family was thorough, as we wanted to make sure we made the right decision to ensure appropriate accountability for the defendants. Toops says the DA's office reached out to him about this several days ago.
They said they're going to keep going after him on going with another judge to file as an adult.
That leaves him hopeful.
I'm hoping that they're going to do that, but when he shot me, he was 17, and I don't know. I'm kind of hoping that they're going to do it, but I don't know.
For now, both Miles and Smith are in the Juvenile Detention Center. The DA's appeal will be heard April 3rd. Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.
The DA's office has not responded to our request for comment.